You have certainly been to all the good eating places in Ortaköy. Certainly the two have the best views. House Cafe extended their indoors so even in winter you can get good views. A couple of doors to the right is Zuma, of London fame. It is modern Japanese, very similar to Nobu and just as pricey but just by the Bosphorus. I don't know the winter indoor area as I've been there only in summer. A new place opened between House Cafe and Angelic but really can't remember the name now. If you wish to walk 15 minutes towards Curzon, there is a macro supermarket on the right and in front of that building is a lovely waterfront with an Italian restaurant, Mia Mensa, a very quirky cafe, and in the building itself Buchan Cafe, Healthy 80, and Mavi Balik, a very good fish restaurant with outstanding views. On the way there you also pass Rain but I don't know if they offer lunch service. Ortaköy market is all day on Sundays from early morning, on Saturdays as well. If you were to take a taxi from Ortaköy and up the hill parallel to the bridge you would come to Akmerkez Mall in Ediler. 5-10 minute drive where you can find all kinds of shops from high-end to medium-priced Turkish brands to jeans, homewares, jewelry, a good cross-section. Good cafes there too like Home Cafe. Also on the way to Akmerkez, on the hill in Ulus Park are two of the most popular modern Istanbul restaurants, Sunset Grill and Ulus 29 with excellent views and great food. Ulus 29 has more exotic Turkish feel with an authentic wood over. They are a bit pricey. Ortaköy has a neat little collection of shops and restaurants along narrow windy streets that lead out to the pier. At the pier, the Ortaköy Mosque can be seen jutting out into the Bosphorus, with the Bosphorus Bridge in the background. Go there, preferably on a Sunday and enjoy the outdoor exhibition of works by many local artists. Ortaköy, the village in the middle of the Bosphorus, is crisscrossed with little shopping alleyways with a multitude of shops where you will find and admire local crafts and enjoy the classic garnished baked potato so enjoyed by the locals. You can get there on foot, but it is a bit long and the traffic is heavy. Or make a stop during your cruise on the Bosphorus, or do as the locals do and get there in 5 minutes for 3 TL with the bus from Beşiktaş to Ortaköy. Ortaköy is one of the most popular, lively and attractive neighborhood of Beşiktaş, located just by the Bosphorus and under the Bosphorus Bridge. Ortaköy is also another popular nightlife and entertainment centers of Istanbul with its variety of great cafes, bars, pubs, restaurants, shops, boutiques, baked potato and souvenir shops. Strolling around the Ortaköy square, watching the crowd, having a rest and drinking tea or coffee at the various cafes and restaurants nearby the sea in the company of Bosphorus is one of the best things to do in Ortaköy. You can also take the boats for a Bosphorus cruise, from the Ortaköy coast, near the Ortaköy Mosque. Ortaköy Square and Ortaköy Mosque is the heart of Ortaköy. The street markets are also very popular in Ortaköy. They are held in every weekend. Visitors may enjoy and buy a variety of handicrafts, souvenirs, second-hand books, various great items and more. Summer nights are very lively here as Ortaköy is a popular entertainment and nightlife spot of Istanbul with its variety of nightclubs, pubs and bars. Ortaköy Square is popular with the young people and Istanbul sightseeing takers. There are a variety of cafes, bars, restaurants and shops at the square. The lively nights at the weekends are also fantastic. The Damat Ibrahim Pasha Fountain and historic Izmir Sultan Mansion, dating back to 18th century, are worth a see.
Hepsi paketlenmiş, bak görüyor musun? Artık paketli satıyorlar. Burada siperlik kullanan çok özen, biliyor musun?
Buyurun. Merhaba efendim.
Burada da aslında kazmışlar her yeri.
Ya ne inandım ya. Geldik baktım dedim şey yapalım.
Baktı zamana
Burası Ortaköy Caddesi, gelen araba.
abi burada boş mu? Merhaba arkadaşlar. Abi hoş geldin. Abi düşünürsen bekliyorum abi. Eyvallah abi. Kamerayı sen daha iyi bakın. Müzik gömlekli.